Hey everyone, Angela here with Micro PMU Tattoo Supply, and today we are unboxing this sweet treat, the Chocolate Collection by Amina Sadiq and Permablend. This collection was specifically created for clients with melanin-rich skin. Amina knew that there was a gap in the industry for clients that were coming to her and telling her that they were being told they were just too dark to get permanent makeup or that colors would just heal out too ashy on them. This collection, guys, has completely eliminated that gap. These colors are stunning. They are all inclusive and they are made to heal true to color in the skin. We've got a little color chart here, guys. It even comes with these CI numbers here and these CI descriptions, which is great. We've got cocoa bean, maple sugar, fondue, cinnamon swirl, ganache, and honey brown. This collection is simply stunning. It really is all inclusive for clients of color. These colors heal true to tone, and they're just made to focus on different shades and to be able to be all encompassing when you're doing your brows, guys. Hop on the site and order now.